let's talk about quasars, short for quasi-stellar radio source. It's an extremely bright and distant celestial object that emits massive amount of energy. Massive amount of energy across the electromagnetic spectrum, and the electromagnetic spectrum, which ranges from radio waves to gamma rays. These quasars are believed they are believed to be a type of active galactic nucleus found at the centers of galaxies, and they are among the most luminous objects in the universe. Now let's talk about these quasars in some brief description, and what these quasars are, and how these quasars work. And that's a very fundamental question that we can talk about. And these quasars were first discovered in the year 1960s, when astronomers the astronomers noticed point-like sources. They noticed point-like sources of radio emission that appeared like stars in the visible light, but had unusual spectra. They looked like stars, but had spectrum with broad emission lines, indicating the rapid motion and high energies. As the technology improved from 1960s onwards, it became clear that these objects were not stars, and they are not the objects of stars within our own galaxy, but were located much farther away, at very long cosmological distances. Now, these quasars are thought to be powered by massive black holes, and these massive black holes that are there at the centers of these galaxies, and these black holes with masses billions to millions, from millions to billions of times that of our sun. They are surrounded by an accretion disk, a swirling disk of gas and dust and other stuff out there, and all that gas and dust is being pulled into the black hole by its strong gravitational field. Now, as the matter spirals inwards, it gets extremely hot and emits intense radiation across the electromagnetic spectrum. So as the matter that is surrounding these massive black holes, it's being sucked by these black holes. So there is emission of radiation. There is emission of radiation around these set of massive black holes. These quasars are incredibly luminous. Often outshining the entire galaxy at times in which they are located. They are located in a galaxy. They outshine everything in a galaxy. So they are emitting tremendous luminous light around the galaxy. The energy emitted by a quasar uh, can be millions of times greater than that of an entire galaxy. And this extreme luminosity is the result of uh, enormous gravitational energy released. Uh, this gravitational energy is released as the matter falls into the black hole and heats up in the accretion disk. Now, these quasars they emit energy in multiple ways, and what are these ways? The intense radiation from the accretion disk is one source of energy, right? And additionally, if I talk about these quasars, these quasars can emit powerful jets of particles moving close very close to the speed of light, and these jets can be observed. They can be observed across various wavelengths, including radio waves, and suddenly they are thought to be produced by the magnetic fields around the black hole. Uh, this is how the things happen surrounding the black hole. And talking about the cosmic evolution and distances, quasars are observed at great distances from Earth, often billions of light years. Billions of light years away. Now, because of the finite speed of light, you cannot have anything that can have speed more than that of speed of light. So, because of this limit of speed of light, observing quasars allows astronomers to look back in the time and studying the conditions in the early universe formation. These quasars are believed to have been more common in the early universe, and many distant quasars they show us basically what galaxies and black holes were like when the universe was much younger than the present time. So now, in order to talk about the importance of these quasars in astronomy, I would like to say these quasars help astronomers and cosmologists. It helps them to understand the nature of these supermassive black holes, galaxies, and formation and evolution, and the conditions of the earlier universe. They certainly provide a very good insight into the most extreme environments and the fundamental processes that govern the behavior of the universe, that govern the behavior of matter in the universe, that govern the behavior of energy in the universe. So to conclude this brief description of these quasars, these quasars are they are incredibly bright and distant celestial objects, and they are powered. These quasars are powered by massive black holes at the center of galaxies, and they emit massive amounts of energy across the electromagnetic spectrum, almost all wavelengths, and making them certainly crucial objects, making them essential objects, essential celestial objects out there in the universe, and it becomes crucial to study and understand them, so that they can give us some insight into understanding the fundamental origin of the universe.